When I finished school, I didn't know what I wanted to do. My low self-esteem and poor confidence were holding me back from making any sort of progress in a career. That was until I was scrolling through Facebook one morning and I saw a job vacancy advertised on Community for Work Plus's Facebook page, along with an offer for any support in barriers that might be holding you back from work. I was really nervous, so I rang the number and they were really patient in helping me assess what I needed to get me ready for the world of work. The problem was, I wasn't ready for a job yet. I wasn't even ready for an interview. I didn't even have a CV. Communities for Work Plus introduced me to their work club, where I was given support in writing my CV and helped with applying for jobs online. They then booked me on to an interview skills course and a confidence building course. These courses were great for helping me learn the techniques I needed to get me ready for interviews and feel brave enough to go to them. Communities for Work Plus also wouldn't let access to technology be a barrier for me and signed me up for their Chromebook loan scheme so I could finish my job applications online. I heard back from some employers and had started attending interviews when a Kickstart vacancy came up within Communities for Work Plus themselves as a social media marketing assistant. The role was perfect for me. It really suited my strengths and it felt like it was something I was excited to do. The Kickstart programme is a DWP initiative supporting 16 to 24-year-olds into paid employment for 25 hours per week for 6 months. The hours were great for easing me into work in preparation for my full-time work in the future. It was enough to keep me busy, but not so much as to overwhelm my anxiety. My work coach put in my CV and arranged an interview for me in Aberdeen Job Centre. I had an opportunity to put my new skills to use. It went better than I could have imagined and I was offered the position immediately. Now I get to help other people overcome the same barriers by marketing the support available on our social media pages, which is exactly how I access the support myself. The confidence I've built through my new role and the courses I attended gave me the boost I needed to apply for university, something my anxiety previously held me back from. My application was a success and now I'm excited to be attending my dream university soon. If I hadn't seen that Facebook post, I wouldn't have been at the start of my career path.